Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we are going to talk about multiplexer. So, multiplexer is a kind of combinational circuit that has multiple input and single output. The binary information is received from the input lines and directed to the output line on the basis of the values of the selection line. One of these inputs will be connected to the output. A multiplexer is also treated as mux. So let's start the video.
Multiplexing is the generic term used to describe the operation of sending one or more analog or digital signals over a common transmission line at different times or speeds, and as such the device we used to do just that is called a multiplexer. So multiplexer is a combinational logic circuit which has maximum of 2 to the power n data input lines, having n selection lines and a single output line. One of these data inputs will be connected to the output based on the values of selection lines. So this is the block diagram of a multiplexer having n input lines, m selection or control lines and one output lines. The multiplexer also known as mux. Now if we have to find the relation between the input line and the selection line of a multiplexer, we can assume that if a multiplexer or simply mux has m selection line and n input lines, then the relation between input line and selection line of multiplexer will be n equals to 2 to the power m. So this is the relation that we have to remember, or we will follow this relation where the number of input lines means n is equals to 2 to the power m, where m is the number of selection lines. Multiplexer can be of different types like 4 cross 1 multiplexer, 8 cross 1 multiplexer, 16 cross 1 multiplexer and so on. So here we are talking about 4 cross 1 multiplexer. In 4 cross 1 multiplexer, 4 cross 1 mux has 4 data input lines, namely I3, I2, I1 and I0. So since we have 4 data input lines, there will be 2 selection lines, namely S1 and S0, and also one output line which is Y. So this is the block diagram of a 4 cross 1 multiplexer having 4 input lines, 2 selection lines and one output line which is also equals to Y. So one of these 4 input lines will be connected to the output based on the combination of input present at these 2 selection line. So since there are 2 selection lines, so if we just look at the truth table, we can find out the different combinations are possible for this multiplexer. So we have four input lines, namely I0, I1, I2 and I3, and using two selection line we can make four possible combination of selection lines: 0 0 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So when S0 equals to 0 and S1 equals to 0, we are getting I0 as output. So the input line I0 will get selected and it will lead to the output. When S0 equals to 1 and S1 equals to 0, we will get I1 as output. When S1 equals to 1 and S0 equals to 0, we will get I2 as output. And when S1 and S0 both equals to 1, we will get I3 as output. So from the above truth table we can directly write the Boolean expression for the output of multiplexer. So y equals to S1 complement S0 complement I0 plus S1 complement S0 I1 plus S1 S0 complement I2 plus S1 S0 into I3. So this is the Boolean expression for 4x1 multiplexer. Now this can be implemented using inverters, NOT gate, AND gates and OR gate. Now let's implement the circuit diagram of 4x1 multiplexer with these gates. Now we have taken two selection lines S1 and S0. We have also made the complements. Now the things we only require for input lines along with the selection line. The first one is S1 complement S0 complement and the input line I0 that will be fed to an AND gate. Similarly, like this, we have S1 complement S0. So this is the S0 line, S1 complement and I1. Again this will fed to an AND gate. So this brings us the result as S1 complement S0 complement I1 I0. This one S1 complement S0 I1, and the third one also we have S0 complement S1. Now we have this thing and I2 as an input. So again this will fade into another AND gate which produces S1 S0 complement I2, and at last we have S1 S0 and I3. So the last AND gate that is having the output S1 S0 and I3. Now we have drawn inverters and gates. The OR gate is only required to draw. So one OR gate will be there, and this all four connections will be fed into the OR gate. So depending on the combination of the selection line, any one line will get activated and redirect to the output Y. So this is the circuit diagram of 4x1 multiplexer. And depending on the inputs of S0 and S1, any one input line will get selected at a time, and this will redirect to the output line.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share the video with others, and hit the notification bell icon for regular updates.